welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Got my skillet cleaned out and the heat's on, very low. I'm gonna get it smoking a little bit, put a little bit of coconut oil in there, and we're gonna throw in some ground beef for a Manwich sandwich. Sloppy Joe. Alright y'all, I've got about a pound of ground beef. We're just gonna put it in my smoking hot skillet. This is the more lean 93.7. Cook it up and we'll continue. I've got this meat cooked up. Some is browned up. It's a 97.3, so it's really lean. Not much grease in there. No big deal. I've opened this can of Manwich. It's my husband's fave. The little top won't come out, so here we go. Gonna cook this in here real quick, get all this out. I know my grandmother made Manwich sometimes, or sloppy joes. I don't know if it was Manwich, but I don't think it was ever really my favorite. Seems pretty similar to spaghetti, just bread instead of noodles. It's not my favorite, but it's really good. My husband loves Manwich and sloppy joe. I know my husband loves sloppy joe. I don't mind eating it. I would prefer spaghetti because I love spaghetti. I didn't have it too often. I don't even really remember it when I was really young, maybe, but I don't really remember it in my older youth. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna get, he wanted some store-bought rolls. I'm gonna get those ready and he wants it toasted up. We'll assemble that. I cut some of these breads. They're so thin, so I just cut the bottom off basically. It's like a cracker. I'm gonna put a little meat on here and we're gonna toast it / bake it in the oven. I'm gonna eat that one. We're gonna put a little cheese on top of this Manwich. My husband would have this growing up. I don't usually toast it. I usually just put this on bread, but this is new to me at least, and we are going to give this a try. Delicious. Put a little cheese on there. This is a very quick and easy protein-filled dinner. It's very comforting and delicious. Just because of the lack of water right now, we're gonna top this with a little pre-shredded. I'm not sure how much. He loves cheese, so probably a lot. America, we love cheese. All right, y'all, we're gonna bake that in the oven for a few minutes till it's toasted. My homemade buns turned out quite small this time. I think they're overproofed, but I'm gonna make a little Manwich sandwich. So cute. Actually, I'm gonna eat it open face, but how adorable. Bon appetit. Delicious. Here's a really thin piece. It's like a cracker now. I put a tiny bit of cheese on top after the fact. We're gonna try it. It's still really soft inside, so that's good. Cheese doesn't do too much, I don't think, but it's pretty good. This one, good to go. So we're gonna serve that up and I'm gonna put this one back in. That one's gonna continue toasting. We're gonna cut this at a diagonal. It's my husband's favorite. Hopefully this goes okay. Ooh, nice and crispy. There we go. Check this out, y'all. Well, this might work. Heart-shaped sandwich. Bon appetit. Alright, y'all, this one came out. Might be easier if I slice it on this pan instead of that plate. This knife is so abnormally long, or awkwardly long. Boom. Heart-shaped sandwich. Bon appetit.